Welcome to FJORD channel. In this video, I have shown about the how to change the taskbar into transparent and glassy bottom icons. Showing the multiple wallpapers are scrolling there. You see the taskbar is very transparent. Let's be done. Wait just a minute. You will need an install an application. It's called Taskbar Plus. So let's be done. Click Microsoft Store. So I am using a Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, you see it is also supported. So I am using Windows 11. Click Microsoft Store. Search Taskbar Plus. So first row of applications are here. Taskbar Plus. Click here to install. Wait just a minute until completed download. Once you install, you will open. So once you install, you see the transparent appearance in your taskbar automatically. I will show the cursor of here my taskbar in Windows PC. Let's open application interface. So there are 6 options are there. Wait just a minute. So 6 options are there. So you will need a modify customize in your taskbar settings using these applications. So I'm not using these applications because they might be affect the PC performance and become slower maybe. So I just ignore it. So I now turned dark mode into light mode. The PC is now currently in dark mode. Wait just a minute. Dark mode into light mode. Yes, you have seen the entire taskbar is transparent very clearly. Yes, there are some applications are I pinned in taskbar is very floating, very floated. Well, so thanks for watching from my video, everyone, and you see the next another week about Windows features, very useful features I upload in the next video or upcoming videos or previous videos. So don't forget to subscribe our channel.